Over the past 4.5 years, we have made hundreds of videos here on Journey to the Microcosmos. And in that time, we have seen some stars rise to the top to become the true celebrities of the microcosmos. So this year, we've taken some of our most popular microscopic friends and put together a 2024 calendar featuring highlights from some of your favorite Microcosmos episodes. We've got your tardigrades, your rotifers, your amoeba and hydra, but we've also got what I think might be my favorite, the long-necked lacrimaria, the sea monkeys with their dark past, and a couple of discoveries that James was shocked to come across, like the spirostomum and the legendrea. Each page features a little blurb explaining what you're looking at and a fantastic photo that showcases our master of microscopes, James Weiss's work as a microscopist. We love getting to make this show each and every week, and we are continually blown away by the support you all have shown for it. So, if you'd like to bring the Microcosmos home with 12 dazzling photos to show off on your wall, pick up your 2024 Journey to the Microcosmos calendar over at microcosmos.store. And if you'd like to grab some other calendars from our sibling channels, Eons, Bizarre Beasts, and SciShow, you can do so at complexlycalendars.com. All those links, of course, are in the description.